Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Be faithful to that which exists nowhere but in yourself. Market eyes, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 239, Nasdaq off 55, S&P's down 24, gold contract down $14.20, trading at 1106.80 an ounce. Silver down 17 cents at $14.58 an ounce. Platinum down 22 at $9.80 an ounce. Copper flat at $2.42 a pound. Light sweet crude down $1.61, trading out at $44.34 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year up 1 tick, 127.10. 30-year up 17 ticks, 154.15. Bond market, once again, folks, gave out the information. It came down yesterday, had lighter volume, went down this morning, had lighter volume, rejected lower price, and just took off topside. Lower bond yield, higher bond prices equal lower S&P prices. King dollar couldn't hack the minor swing point. Ended up down 37 ticks, 95.95. Euro up 5, which is just totally deviant, no doubt, at $1.12, and the yen is trading at 120.47. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Can you spell failure, folks? Well, you got it all over the place. Bottom line is that we did out here is this. Man, it's just pretty, it's, you know, I'm bearish, but this market is so weak, it's incredible, folks. Bottom line, what did we do yesterday? Yesterday, you go topside, we do 116 million shares in the SPY, which we know was anemic volume. You're going into 346 million. You get to a higher high out here today. It hits a price point of 199.47. What it was doing is it wanted to test the high that was generated out here on the August 28th. Tested the high, did it on lighter volume, failed on price, failed on volume. Bottom line, SPY, you're at 194. That'll start making a run now to 190.74. The spread, point spread today in trading was pretty amazing. Well, it's been amazing just about every day. So the point spread out here today inside the futures, folks, were 50 bucks. 92 was the high. We're at 42 right now. Big numbers. Dow Industrials. Well, let's go to the Qs first. We take a look at the NDX 100. NDX 100, same type of setup. All the indices and the ETF structures actually had the same setup. NDX 100, we did 45 million shares. You're going into 97 million as well as going into 69 million. NDX, the Qs got to a price point of 106.31. You closed at that 106.31 was going after the 106 that was generated out here on the 28th. You had lighter volume, rejected price. The Qs now will make a run for 100.63. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? They took gold apart. Gold right now, it's coming into where it has strength. Bottom line, they got it going on the way down. The contract itself is trading at 1106.70. We did 160,000 contracts. Now, it's coming into 192,000 that from the August 11th and the 12th. The low of the 11th is 1093. The 1103 to 1093 is game here. That's the bottom line. We'll see if the volume can continue. Today, you're about 30,000 contracts shot, which isn't bad. You know, that's a good almost 18% shorter volume as you're coming into that area. Bonds, as I said, we take a look at this bond market. The bond market is pretty amazing, man. I mean, there's no doubt about it. We'll look at the 10-year first. This is what you have. 10-year got down to a price point of 126.25. We did 1.1 million contracts. The 10, folks, and the 30, they both were going into July 7th, and they rejected. That was a day of strength, July 6th, rather. That was a day of strength in the bond market. There's been a lot of days of strength, but that's one of them that was going after. It rejected that price, had lighter volume, went topside. Bonds now will first off make a run for the high that was generated last Thursday. That was a high volume high. I suspect what you're going to see, more than likely, it's going to probably make a run for the actual highs in the bond market, where the 10-year had actually taken out the April highs. The 10-year ran up to 129.10. And we'll see whether we have an ABC structure on the way up. Now, what's so intriguing about the bond market is this. Last night, you had Asia up big, folks. Our treasuries, okay, today rejected lower price pretty quickly. The rest of the bond markets across the world also were basically not going down. That was a huge heads up this morning that, okay, the bond traders are saying, see you, I don't care if Nikkei's up 7%, I don't care if China's up 3.5%, we're not budging in this bond market. That was a big heads up. King dollar, what do you have with King dollar? King dollar just can't handle higher price. This minor swing point that it's been trying to get over, just can't handle it. You know, we went up, almost hit the swing point today, just couldn't get there. You know, the swing point we're talking about is 96.92. And that's only a minor swing point. The actual swing point, folks, is 98.74. You go up there, you do it with 35,000 contracts, couldn't handle it. What does that set up? Guess what? That's setting up, you're going to go south, man. We're going to be back down once again into this 95.27 to 92 area. And when it did break down on the 24th, that is saying that the dollar, folks, wants to go to 85. Yeah, 85. You're hearing that correctly. I know. It's insane. That's where it says it wants to go. Let's go take a look at some of the stocks after the close out here. Let's see. What is the code for Palo Alto? Okay, I'll do Krispy Kreme first. If you can give me that, Dave, that'd be awesome, man. Krispy Kreme closed at $17.73. That's trading at $15.30 right now. That no one's eating donuts, thank God. Bottom line is that donuts are great, but man, they're not great on your waist. That's for sure. Krispy Kreme, that little baby. Let's see what we got. Yeah, she's heading back down to the price point of $8.99. Box, B-O-X. Let's see what we got with Box. This is Internet Application Company. This closed at $14.25. This is trading at $14.60. And the numbers go like this. Their forecasts exceeded estimates. Bottom line, that can't get out of its way either. None of these equities can get out of their way, folks. This selling just continues. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We're going to be coming right back. Dow finished down 239. NASDAQ off 55. S&P's down 23. We're going to be right back.